guys, back in another video. In today's video, we're actually going to be showing my fireworks. I'm showing you my whole complete of fireworks in the 4th of July because they're all in the basement and there's so much. But here is just one box, one Alien Super King of Pyro assortment, and I'm just going to be showing you. This is the 2019 version, I think. I guess that. And yeah. Let's get started. I have cakes, the big boxes with cannons in them, like that. So we're gonna be showing you right now what they are. Okay, guys. So let's get started. So first we have these. I have no idea what these are. These sticks. They are little. They are little sticks that blow I think you have to be the wires right here, then you have to and then the balls come out from here, and then each one has 10 balls. So I have 2 of these, 1 and 2 right here. Got 2 of these from the boxes. Well, I'm showing you the cakes. I mean, so yeah. Then we got the oh my god. Then we got the silver eagle ball from Alien. It's pretty cool. And the wire right here. This hard spot. Yeah, right here. The wire's pretty hard. Right here, silver eagle. So I can just get it right here. Put it right here. You're get united, and then. So yeah. Then we got the festivals, these right here from Alien. All of these are mostly Alien. The wire again. 1.4 grams. No, all of these are mostly 1.4 grams for some reason. Mostly all of these are 1.4 grams. Then we got the yellow jacket. Oh no, the dumb wrap. Okay, then we got the yellow jacket. You just get the wires no, it's not the wire. It's not the wire. There's no wire. Actually, the wire is on top right here. Just take it off and unite it, and it goes. Pew! I think it's just one firework. That's what I think. And the yellow jacket, I really like the design. It's right here. And then unite right here, and yeah. I'm gonna be showing you guys the fireworks party. It's at 350 Emerald Street. If you guys want to see the huge show, it's the well, I got these huge boxes here, so right here, right here, right there. Huge boxes with lots of cannons in them, and pew pew pew. I got 11 or 10. They're really long shows. Then we got the Lucky Leprechaun. One of my, I guess, favorites. Mostly the yellow jacket, but right now is my favorite. Right now, the yellow jackets. And I really also like the design, just and pew pew. So yeah, the Leprechaun. So yeah. Right here. Okay. Then we got House and Animal House. I don't know what I'm saying now. Then we got Animal House. I have no idea. This is a firework. Animal House right here. I believe it's a whole bunch of different colors. I guess a whole bunch of different colors. That's what I assume. But yeah, so let's put it back here. And so then we got the green monster. All of these are aliens, as I said. Right here, and yeah, green alien right here. Boy. Put it back. Okay, and then we got that. Now then we got it's really light. The missile launcher, the colorful missile launcher. Is this Alien? No, this is not Alien. This is Boomer. Yeah, I don't really like Boomer. Well, I kind of like, not really, but like, I really like Boomer though. Because like, mostly all of these are like, for like, no, not mostly. So like, I kind of like Boomer though, even though it's kind of chafa. But I really like Boomer. Like some of them have like, badass fireworks. Yeah, colorful missile, right there, colorful missile. So yeah. And then we got the then we got the oh no, then we got the desert at night. Actually, I really like this one. I just really like this one especially. I really like the effect and everything. Really cool. I love this. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing one for the 4th of July. Like don't forget to go to 350 Ganal Street. So like this is gonna be a huge. Literally, it's gonna be a huge. What's it called again? A huge blast. Just go at 350 Ganal Street, and it'll be really good. So yeah, I really like this, and yeah, this is going. With this one, okay. Now there's the garden and spring. One of my medium favorite, I guess. Well, it's pretty cool, I guess. Like so yeah, garden and spring, right there. And right here, you just fuse it. No, it's right here. The wire's right here. The wire's right here. That's right there. You see what's the bump? Yeah, you can see them right there. Yeah. So then we got the green dragon, from the Shenron from like wait, I'll be right guys. So yeah, here we go. Then we got the alien green dragon, the Shenron, and it showers of sparks, shooting balls and reports. Ooh, I really like this one though. This one is like one of my top favorites, like literally one of my top favorites, because like it's so cool, like the effects and everything are so cool, and because I love Dragon Ball Z a lot, like literally. Then we got. I really like this one because like I super love the color rainbow, the rainbow fountain. It's a fountain, but like so much sparks of rainbow. I don't think it's a I don't think it's like a firework that goes in the sky and then pew. But I really like this one. One of my top. This is actually my most favorite shower ever. One of my most favorite fountains ever. So yeah. Boom. Okay. Okay, I thought like the camera is like kind of weird. Okay, so it's kind of like glitched out. So yeah, this is the rainbow fountain, and yeah, it's really cool. So this is really cool. So then we got, I think yeah, we should go. Then we got nice. Okay, so this is the Happy Fireworks one. Happy Fireworks. No, I really this is made from. No, this is not made from Alien. Yeah, as you can see here, it's not made from Alien. It's made from cutting edge. Cutting edge fireworks. It's right here. Yeah, this one like the box. The box full of them. We had like this one last year. Well, not last year. It was like the last year. Last year we didn't have as much fireworks. Well, we had fireworks, but not as badass as these. Like in 2017, it was the best, literally the best ones ever you've ever seen. So, and then actually one of the longest ones we actually got. It's really heavy. The Super Saturn. Oh, the Super Saturn missile. Super Saturn missile. I especially love this one a lot. It actually like there's a lot. The duration is a long time. So it also has 300 shots. How many grams does this have? Okay, where's the grams? Let's go see the grams right here. Where are the grams? Oof. Does this show grams? Really? That's weird. I thought it was supposed to show the grams. Okay, it's 1.4 grams. Mostly all of these are 1.4 grams. But right now I'll keep you notice which ones are the 1.4 grams and which ones are not. Okay, those are all the fireworks. Actually, no, those are like all the, I think like, yeah, like just all the fireworks for like that. Now we're moving on to the mortars. Actually, like this, yeah, it's just like these like shells. Like they first go this mortar. This mortar is actually for these festive balls. I thought it would be heavier. These festive balls. These are chili shells, 1.4 grams, and then we got the super artillery shells. Wait, this one is for this one. So yeah, I really love this one. So yeah, then we got this one's kind of heavy, I guess. So yeah, this one is the super artillery shells from Alien. I really love this design. It reminds me of my bird. I'm sure my bird right now. Okay. I'm not sure my bird. He's sleeping right now. He's literally in the other room. So yeah, this one is the super artillery shell. Shoots flaming balls. I'll show you the effects right now. The effects are. Wait, first I'm gonna show you these are really big. Don't get me started. First I'm gonna show you the effects for these. These I believe are. These are just like 4, I guess, or there's 6. So there are like 4 types of them. First it's this type, then it's this type. It's this type. One of my favorite. This type. This one really looks really cool, really sick. Yeah. And what's number one? Oh, put this back here. Back for Ratatata. And we got this super artillery shell. Well, I really like these, I guess. Well, these are like really good ones. They're like fountains, but like in the air. You can see right now. So they're super artillery shells. And then look, first we got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, it's actually this one, cause like, yeah. So let's put it back. For the because look. This look, I'll show you right now the mortar. We need to take this one off. Okay, this one is for the festive balls, and then this one, look, and this one is for the super artillery shells, maximum load. Look, this one is bigger. Look, I'll show you the size right now. As you can see, it's taller and bigger. Look, look like that. Like that, you see? So yeah. Okay, so let's put this back. I'm gonna show you the whole box right now. I'm gonna show you the whole box. So yeah, I think I showed you guys everything in here. Yeah, I think I showed you everything. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. Here, and here's the whole box. Literally the whole box. The whole box right here. Super King Pyro assortment. So yeah. So guys, I hope you have a nice 4th of July. I'm also gonna be showing you guys. I'm also be showing a I'm also gonna be showing you a what's it called again? I forgot. I'm gonna be showing you on the 4th of July. I'm going to be recording my 4th of July experience. And in the 4th of July, in the early morning, no, like not in the early morning, like at midday, like for example, like maybe, you know what, whenever I post, like 12 through 6, I guess, no, like 12 to 7, something like that, and then I'll get the the cakes, and then I'll post it to you guys all of my cakes. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna post everything I have. Okay, guys, and make sure to go to 3050 Canal Street for the show. If you want to go, I'm not forcing you to go. If you want to go, I don't know. The show is gonna be like maybe like it might start at. Wait, I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. In a quick moment, I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, the show is gonna be in the 4th of July. So yeah, 4th of July. So yeah, the show's gonna be in the 4th of July at 8. So that's why I got like 7. Sure, all of the cakes, and like at 8 the show is coming. So make sure to go to 3050 Canal Street at 8 p.m. For 4th of July. Okay, guys. I think it's gonna end like at 1. Maybe like 11. No, like 8 through 1. Maybe. We don't really know right now. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, bro. I hope you guys have a good day, and make sure to follow my Instagram. Hashtag. This is a face reveal. Don't tell no one. It's follow my Instagram, official Burr. Official Burr YT for my Instagram. Please follow it. This is actually a face reveal, but I don't know if people actually know that a kid animates all these things. I say like does all these animates all these things, but this is a face reveal. Since I have that many fans, just keep it quiet. Don't tell none of your friends that I'm Burr. I'll show you my YouTube video. I'll just show my YouTube channel on another time. Please. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not Burr. So yeah, just make sure. It's actually called the Reckless iTone. Make sure to follow the Reckless iTone. So yeah, make sure to follow the Reckless iTone at my IG. And just I'll keep you updated on my fireworks. So yeah, hey, good, chill out, and peace. Bye. I hope you guys have a great 4th of July. See you later.